This is our new planting plot. We chose this design out of all these that you can decide what you'd like. Very easy instructions. It was really simple to put together. You have the crossbars to keep it nice and sturdy. It comes with, I'll actually show you on this. It shows you how to fill it up so you don't have to fill it all with dirt. And this is the best way to do it for all the nutrients. We're going to try to grow some herbs and tomatoes. And we have placed it in the perfect section of our yard where it gets mostly sun and afternoon shade. We really like it. I think you might too. Thanks for watching.